Hi guys, I'm Hags. Welcome back to Hags VR Home of the Games. My brother just woke up. Oh, I'm Hags. Welcome back to Hags VR Home of the Games. Today, I will be going over this small fridge that actually works. You know it's legit when it has the back fans and you can plug it in and it has an on and off switch. It's on right now. Here's the switch right here, 120 volts, and the and this one right here is the one that the fan is plugged into. Hold on, I'm gonna get you guys close. Oh, like that. I'm gonna get you guys close to the fan and see if you can hear this. I don't know if you guys might be able to hear this at home, but there's a little fan. Or yeah, there is a fan. But let's look inside now. I'll just open it. But I'll just open it like this because I can't pull it right now. So it's pretty cold. Like this, all around. So yeah, you have the basic stuff. You have your lower compartment. You have your retractable. Hold on, let me see if I can get this on my arm. You have your retractable tray or upper tray. And yeah. So you have to wait 5 to 10 minutes for this thing to cool down. The side fans are to basically, I guess, just keep it cool and just keep it cold, filtering the air. And it's made by Flawless. So if you want this, it's made by Flawless. I got this at a thrift store called Goodwill while I was looking for my Halloween costume. And I was eyeing this down heavily and I really wanted it. So yeah. So let me again figure out what cord is my camera. Alright. I'm getting a new webcam, or not soon, probably in a few months. If you guys never heard it, if you know Kyle Kroger and you watch his shorts a lot, you will know that at some point he went over a webcam called the Insta360 Link 2 or 2C. I'm getting 2, just regular 2, because it's better. You guys, hold on, it tracks your face. So if I had it, you would still be able to see me because it will it has AI tracking. So yeah, join my Discord, link in the description. Trying to get 50 members by 2025. Okay. Yeah, that was my dad. Yeah, so I was saying Discord, link in the description. Bye, guys.